downstream key example. For the downstream key example, I'm going to make a bug in the upper right-hand corner. I made this in Photoshop. I found this graphic online, sized it down a bit, and positioned it in the upper right-hand corner of a 1920 by 1080 project in Photoshop. I then exported the graphic as a PNG and then dropped it into my media bin here. So I'm going to go to the downstream key, select my source, which is Media Player 1. Then I'm going to select my key source, which is Media Player 1 key. Then I hit my downstream key auto button to bring it up. So there you go, there's your downstream key, which comes after the switch. I hope you found that helpful, and in our next video, we're going to be covering the picture-in-picture functionality with these Blackmagic Design switchers. See you in the next one.